Founded in 2005, BLS International Services Limited is an integral part of the Delhi-based BLS Group. This globally recognized company has established itself as a trusted partner for governments and citizens worldwide. Remarkably, it ranks among the top 3 visa application outsourcing firms globally, delivering a comprehensive range of services including visas, passports, consular, and citizen services. BLS International commenced its journey by offering services to the Portuguese embassy and has since rapidly expanded its footprint to operate in 66 countries. Impressively, it now serves 46 government clients and holds a substantial 17% market share as of FY23. The core business model of BSL International comprises 2 primary service lines: visa and consular services and digital services. Within visa and consular services, the company offers visa processing, encompassing outsourced visa processing, document verification, document attestation, biometrics, and e-visas. Additionally, value-added services such as photocopying, courier and internet facilities, premium lounges, form filling, insurance, SMS alerts, translation services, and mobile biometrics enhance the customer experience. In the consular services category, BLS International facilitates passport renewal, travel document authentication, document legalization, and notary services. The company has formed strategic partnership with Indian missions, Spain missions, Italy missions, Philippines missions, and Brazil missions, enabling efficient visa processing across multiple countries. Under digital services, BLS International extends e-governance services to citizens at the grassroots level. It serves as a banking correspondent, bridging the gap to deliver essential banking services to underserved remote populations. Moreover, it offers assisted e-commerce last mile services for assisted purchasing and delivery throughout the nation. BLS collaborates extensively with state governments to provide government to citizen services. In Punjab, the company has established 430 G2C centers which act as front-end services hubs for Indian citizens at the grassroots levels, catering to a population of 1.84 crore across 16 districts. Similar agreements are in place with the governments of Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan, covering an extensive network of customer service centers and G2C centers. BLS International operates over 4,300 centers in Karnataka under the Grama 1 project, spanning 15 districts, and maintains a presence in West Bengal with over 80 centers across 5 districts. Operating with an asset-light business model, the visa application centers are leased and citizen services offices are developed by governments and operated by BLS. This approach enables rapid scalability, a lean balance sheet, and the ability to maintain robust profit margins. BLS International not only provides domestic visa and attestation services, but also operates a subsidiary, BLS E-Services Private Limited, which concentrates on domestic digital services and comprises 3 subsidiaries of its own: Starfin India and Zero Mass Private Limited, offering banking correspondence services nationwide, and BLS Kendra Private Limited, focusing on e-governance business. For international operations, BLS International has established several country-specific subsidiaries, expanding its global presence and service offerings. BLS has demonstrated impressive financial growth over the past decade, with revenue from operations surging from 386 crores to 1516 crores at a CAGR of 14.5%. In FY23 alone, the company's revenue witnessed a remarkable 76% increase. Notably, visa processing contributed a substantial 83% of the revenue, while digital services accounted for the remaining 17%. The company's profit after tax experienced a robust growth, rising from 20.5 crores to 204 crores over the past decade at a CAGR of 26%. In FY23, profit soared by an impressive 83%. BLS International has also steadily increased its cash reserves, holding 640 crores in cash at the end of FY23. The company achieved an EBITDA margin of 15% in FY23, with PAT margin standing at 13.5%. Furthermore, BLS witnessed a dip in return on capital employed during the COVID-19 pandemic years, but has since rebounded strongly, registering around 28% ROC in FY23. Globally, consulates have already begun delegating administrative tasks to specialized service providers, aiming to reduce turnaround time, enhance operational efficiency, and achieve cost savings. As of 2021, 65% of visa processes worldwide are managed in-house by embassies, a figure expected to decrease to 50% by 2025, presenting substantial growth opportunities. Visa processing is a niche industry with high entry barriers, giving established players like VFS and BLS a competitive advantage in capitalizing on market growth potential. As of FY23, VFS holds a 50% market share, while BLS commands around 17%. Significant opportunities and high growth potential position BLS to gain market share. Many government services provided to consumers still rely on semi-automated processes with limited adoption of cutting-edge technologies. Outsourcing to specialized partners can reduce delivery times and increase efficiency, delivering a win-win scenario for governments in terms of both cost savings and service quality. India represents a significant growth opportunity for digital and value-added services in e-governance and business services. The government is leveraging solutions and services from specialized providers to realize the vision of a digital India. Initiatives at both the central and state levels are underway to promote the Digital India model for more effective public service delivery. BLS has strategic plans to leverage its strong cash position on the balance sheets effectively. The company will continue to invest in technology to strengthen its ecosystems and processes. BLS is actively exploring technologies such as identity management, blockchain, facial recognition, AI, and chatbots to enhance its service capabilities. Additionally, BLS is actively seeking potential investments in government and IT-related processing businesses. The company maintains a strong focus on acquiring businesses across the value chain that can provide synergy to its existing digital services business. Notably, there are expectations that significant contracts of nearly $1.5 to 2 billion will be up for renewal over the next 2 years. Winning even one of these contracts could substantially boost the company's overall revenue, as the realization is nearly double that of existing contracts. Some of VFS's large contracts are up for renewal, and there are opportunities in large markets like the USA, where the company like BLS can gain market share. BLS is also targeting governments that are outsourcing services for the first time, aiming to expand its reach and client base. With its extensive global footprint spanning over 64 countries and a vast network of 50,000 plus application centers, BLS International is strategically positioned to pursue new contracts. Notably, the company's impressive track record of securing marquee deals in regions such as Europe, the GCC and Middle East, and South America has solidified its credentials for pursuing additional global contracts. Furthermore, BLS International's highly secured processes and robust data handling capabilities create significant barriers to entry for competitors. The company's unwavering focus on value-added services stand out as a key driver for margin expansion and serves as a potential differentiator when eyeing for contracts. BLS International's asset-light business model has played a pivotal role in its ability to maintain a net debt-free status, achieve strong free cash flow, uphold a healthy balance sheet, and deliver high return ratios. While BLS International presents a compelling long-term investment opportunity, investors are encouraged to conduct further due diligence to assess the company's valuation and determine the optimal entry point.